Okay. Today we will see the installation of SR18G, SR18GDI releases on C-Power ACB. Tools required: nose plier, screwdriver set and spanners. As per mounting instructions, we can see here the SR18G and the hardwares are there, mounting plates is there. We have to ready all this. This is the mounting plate, backside bracket, then the bracket for the release, trip rod connections and hardware. This is the release which we are going to mount. Now we will start. First we will remove the fascia, that handle bolt to be removed. Fascia bolt to be removed. Fascia bolt removing. All 4 fascia bolts are removed. Now removing of handle, removing of fascia. This is the channel rod on which mounting plate will be installed. First we will install the release bracket on the mounting plate along with the trip rod. Now we have mounted this trip rod with the bracket. Fixing of mounting plate with the trip bracket of SR18G. Now the plate is ready for the mounting. It will be mounted on ACB. Now breaker as tilt will fix the mounting plate. Trip rod to be engaged with the trip bracket. Fixing of mounting bolts. Both the mounting bolts to be fit. Trip links to be engaged with the trip rod and fitting along with the pin, the tuck pin. The pin is fitted. Now circlip to be installed on the other hand of the pin. Now backside bracket to be mounted on SR18G. Engaging of bracket with top channel. Edging bolt on the top cross piece. Now backside bracket has fitted on a cross piece. Now ACB has tilted and mounting of SR18G or the base plate is going on. All 3 bolts to be tight. Now the setting of the link is to be set so as when the breaker is tripped through the SR18G, it should get reset and will be ready for next operation. Accordingly, length of the trip rod has to be set. This is the CT connector. Is the very important thing. We have to install the CT connector on the release. Connector to be installed where it is mentioned that is CT connector. In that plug, you have to plug it. Very important thing that CT connector has placed properly. Now the breaker is ready for the operation. Installation is completed. Now we'll check the operation. Now the breaker is on. Now we'll trip it through SR18G. Now we will mechanically trip the breaker through SR18G trip linkage. breaker is tripped. Now we'll once again charge it on it and confirm that the setting is perfect. Now breaker is on, so the setting is. Now we will change the release cover. We will assemble the transparent cover on the release. Old covers to be removed. Transparent cover is installed. Now fascia is installed and handle is refitted. Breaker is ready for the operation.